as a boiler associate.
You work as boiler operator?
Yes.
Ronald, you can start. No?
Okay, how are you, Mr. Aptab?
Hello. Hello. Sorry.
Yes. How are you? How are you, Mr.
Sorry,
Aptab?
Ronald?
Hello. Sir.
Yes, hello, yeah. Clear? My voice is clear?
Okay.
Hello. Clear.
Yes, Mr. Aptab, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay. Today, I'm going to discuss some boilers question, okay?
Okay. Sir.
Okay, so I think you have also experience from WWTP and reverse osmosis, right? Because based on your
right.
CV here, you have experience
Yes,
in
yes.
WWTP and reverse osmosis.
Yes. Reverse osmosis.
Okay. So my first question, what is WWTP?
What is boiler?
What is WWT? Wastewater plant. What do you understand this wastewater? Because you mentioned here
sorry.
you mentioned in your CV you have experience WWTP and reverse osmosis. So my question is, can you please define us what is WWTP?
Sorry. What is your pronunciation is unclear, I think.
What's
what
the wastewater plant? What's wastewater plant?
WWTP.
Oh, reverse. You are asking me to tell about reverse osmosis, I think.
WWTP. Very clear question. What is WWTP? Because you in your CV, okay, because in your CV you have experience
Wastewater treatment plant,
WWTP. Yes. So can you please explain
Sorry,
us
sorry,
what
sorry.
is the wastewater treatment plant?
Wastewater we have, I think I have aerobic system, aeration. Through aeration we clear the wastewater, and we have national environment quality standards which we have to limit. We have a limit range where we cannot cross. I think COD,
What's the
BOD.
process?
The process.
Process start with equalization basin, where we where all the water comes and we maintain the pH. pH is maintained 6 to 9, and then we next process is aeration basin. In aeration basin, through aeration we make MLS through we create through aeration we clear the water, water aeration, and then clarifier through, and then waste sludge aeration, and then DEF unit. There is a dissolved air flotation unit in which we clear the sludge and reprocess, and this process is continued.
How you can remove sludge?
We remove sludge through DEF, dissolved air flotation unit.
Okay. After?
We clear the sludge. Hello.
After DAF.
After DEF, and this process is DEF sludge is removed, and sludge goes to anywhere else where we have E-pound, and then the other system we continue, and sludge is again reprocessed through aeration basin, and clarifier water is clear water then goes to end spirit, yani I think out, water is out through clarifier, and sludge again reprocessed through DEF unit, and then DEF to aeration basin, and then again to clarifier, this process. We have COD limit of 150 ppm. Hello.
Okay, yes, continue. Yeah. Okay, no problem.
COD limit.
Okay, next question, Mr. Aptab. What is reverse osmosis?
Reverse osmosis, I think
Yeah.
osmosis in plants in which a membrane, small membrane and one side we have high concentration water, and second side we have, if we have low concentration water, then water transfer from low concentration to high concentration to maintain the concentration. This is called osmosis. And in reverse osmosis, this is reversed through pressure, in which we pressurize the high concentration water, and low concentration water is water transfer from high concentration to low concentration to minimize the concentration. And I think TDS are maintained through this. And we have 10 to 20 ppm TDS here, and I think this is the process, maximum 50 ppm
Okay.
through membranes.
Okay. We're going now the boiler question. Okay.
Yes, yes.
What is boiler?
Well, we have boiler is in which we, through heating, we produce steam, which is used for heating purpose in our plants. We have natural gas fire tube boiler, water tube boiler, but we have fire tube boilers, and a capacity of I think 10 ton per hour, and one has 14 ton per hour, and two waste heat boilers.
No. I'm not asking what ton. I'm asking what is boiler. I'm not asking what is the capacity of the boiler. I'm asking what is boiler. What is the what is the
I said boiler.
process of the boiler?
Well, boiler is a process in which through heating gases of fuel through fire, we create temperature enough to produce heat, so that water is heated and steam produced. This steam is used for heating.
Okay. So you mentioned in your CV you are a boiler engineer C, right?
Class, yes. In our
Boiler engineer class.
we have
Okay.
certification for
Okay, no problem. I have some question regarding for engineering. Okay. So could you please what is the enthalpy of steam?
enthalpy of steam, sir.
Yeah.
This is not the boiler certification, engineering certification. This is called
No.
in which
Also, I am marine engineering. This very question in the engineering subject. So can you please answer me what is the enthalpy of steam? This is part of the boiler operator also.
no. This is not the part of our C-class boiler engineering. Is called C-class certification to operate boilers. This is the
Okay.
engineering.
This is sorry, this question part of job of operator.
Enthalpy, I think heat capacity, boiler heat capacity of water, steam.
No. Very clear question. What is enthalpy of steam? This is for the boiler operator also, not for the engineering. If you are engineer and you're boiler operator, you should know this question. Even me before, when I apply here, one general manager is asking me the type of question.
1000 kilojoule per mole. I think this is the enthalpy of heat.
No. Your answer is very different. Same question. I'm asking you what is your name. Your question. I am 35 years old, so different. It's very it's not good. So leave that question.
Hello.
Okay, leave that question. What is combustion of boiler?
Combustion of boiler, in which we through heat, through fuel, air to fuel ratio we maintain, and first ignition and then combustion, matlab fuel and air. Through air and fuel ratio maintain first ignition and then air to fuel ratio we maintain through the boiler, and matlab this fire continues. Hello.
Okay. What is economizer of steam?
Economizer is installed at the exhaust or outlet of the boiler, in which the feed water, which is feed into the boiler, we heat the feed water through outgoing heat, so that we can use this heat to increase the temperature of feed water, which can be helpful, and so that is called economizer, matlab for economy.
No, firing rates, you need to rated boiler output. Okay, no problem.
Hello.
So, yeah.
Yeah.
The next question. What is the principal heat losses that occur in a boiler?
Principal what?
The principal heat losses that occur in a boiler. What is the principal
So
heat losses of your boiler?
Heat losses.
heat process.
Heat
Heat
losses.
process is, sir, we have fuel, natural gas. We have, I think we have dual fuel boiler through diesel and through natural gas.
No. My question is, what is the principal heat losses in your boiler? Heat losses, not define what is boiler or what is combustion. We're asking what is the principle of heat losses in your boiler.
Heat process.
Why the boiler?
Conduction.
Why the boiler? There is losses like that.
Heat losses.
Yes, heat
Heat-
losses. What are the principles?
What are the principles? Heat losses, conduction, convection, radiation. I think you are asking about this. So through which we can heat the water.
No. I'm asking heat losses of the boiler. Heat losses. Why the boiler? There is a heat losses. So what are the parts? Or what is the principle?
Heat losses.
Yes, you're right. Heat losses. So what are the
Heat
principle of
losses.
that?
Principle of heat losses.
Yes.
I think what you are asking about is heat losses. Heat losses environment to the environment. Heat is lost. Heat loss is what are you asking is not clear to us.
It's very. Actually, the truth, Very, if your boiler operator, you know this type. You know why the boiler there is an heat losses. Number one, loss of heat due to the dry flue gas. Okay. Number two,
Yes, sir.
heat losses due to your moisture or fuel combustion air. Number three, there is combustion of hydrogen. Number four, losses due to of radiation. Number five, losses due to underborn of fuel. So very easy. You don't do this one. Mostly of my operator, he knows this one how to answer this principle of heat losses. So
This
leave
is
that
easy
one.
question. Easy question.
Acha. You were asking about the causes of heat losses. I think principle of heat losses was not clear, but what is principle is
This is a clear question. Clear question.
this is the causes of heat losses.
No, not
I
gases.
think
I told you what is the principal heat losses that occur in a boiler. Very, very clear question. So leave that one, no problem. Okay, next question. Why boiler blowdown is required?
hello. What?
Why boiler
What?
blowdown is required?
Why we make
Blowdown is
down
required
for
to
boiler?
maintain TDS. To maintain TDS because TDS increase scaling in the boiler. So we have to maintain the TDS a proper limit. In our boiler we have 1200 ppm. So we have to maintain this. If increase above this, so we have to blow down the boiler. And blow down, continuous blow down is also required, which we continuously operated. And this is TDS blow down.
For high TDS, for example, if your boiler high TDS,
Hello. What?
okay, next question. Which types of fuel don't produce as? Which
Hello? What?
types of fuel that don't produce as?
Which type of fuel?
Yeah, fuel don't produce as.
It produce us?
Yeah.
which type of fuel produce us?
Yes.
Um, which type of fuel produce us? Think it is a fuel. We have there. We have I think gas and fuel. I think diesel and wood, which can be used as a fuel. Fuel can be of any type, bagas, any type.
No, no, no. We have diesel, right? We have diesel. We have kerosene. We have gasoline. We have natural gas. So my question is, which type of fuel that don't produce us? There is no us. They are not giving carbon. Us means carbon. But in the proper term, ash, not carbon. So which fuel that don't produce ash or carbon?
Which type of fuel not produce carbon? Ash.
Yes.
Natural gas. Natural gas.
No carbon.
No carbon. Carbon is there always, but natural gas is maximum.
No carbon.
Natural gas produce less carbon, less ash.
Okay, leave this question. Next question. What are the causes of failure of superheater tubes?
What are the?
What are the causes of the failure of superheater tubes?
What are the superheater tube? Superheater is used as to increase the temperature of steam.
No, no, no. My question is, what are the causes? What are the causes of the failure of superheater tubes?
What are the process of
Causes,
superheater
cause,
tubes?
cause. What are the cause? Or what will happen
Reason.
of the failure of superheater tubes?
It is unclear.
Okay, what's the deaerator tank?
What is the deaerator? Deaerator. Hello?
Yes, deaerator.
Achha, deaerator. Deaerator is through meaning. It is clear that deaerator is used to deaerate the water, and in which we remove oxygen in deaerator through heating, and we use chemical which is sodium sulfide, which is used as oxygen sequencing, because oxygen can oxidize the material of the boiler and cause rusting or rusting of the boiler. So we have to clear the oxygen in deaerator.
Other question. What's the important part in the boiler?
Bottom?
Yes. Important part in the boiler. Most important part.
What is the most important part of a boiler?
Most important part of the boiler.
Yeah.
It's a
Most
question
important.
to Baru.
Most important part of the boiler. Boiler thing, boiler shell is the very important part for safety of us. It is the, but most important safety is low level of the water.
Low level?
This is a low level of water in boil.
No. This one for that low level is a part of operation, but that is not a part of the most important of the boiler. This low level is that is a part for operation, but the most important of the boiler.
Most important part of the boiler is I think it is shell.
Okay, leave that question. The answer, safety valve. Okay? Okay, next question. How to prevent backfire of boiler? How to prevent backfire
Uh,
of boiler?
Backfire in
Yes,
boiler.
how to prevent backfire of boiler?
How to prevent purging, pre-purging, post-purging.
No. That's not purging. Purging is this one for starting up. This one, my question, how to prevent backfire of boiler?
How to prevent backfire of boiler? We have also doors, which prevent backfire of the boiler. I think through purging we can create or we can make the boiler. We can prevent boiler from backfiring.
No. It's not. Okay, finish. I don't have any question now. Thank you very much, Mr. Tab. So,
Okay, thank you, Mr.
yeah.
Okay.
Where's Miss Lina? Failed.